After watching this video, you should be able to earn more than $1,000 per month, even if you're just a beginner. Today, we're going to discuss 7 main ways to make money in the crypto world. A great way to start in crypto is by participating in airdrops and retrodrops, as they don't require any initial financial investment. An airdrop involves distributing a project's tokens in exchange for performing simple tasks, such as subscribing to the project's social networks, using the blockchain, sharing posts, and more. A retrodrop is a special type of airdrop that rewards early users who have supported the project from the beginning. The difference between airdrops and retrodrops lies in the fact that airdrops are given for specific actions, while retrodrops reward loyal users who have been involved in the project since its early days. But why would a crypto project give away money for such actions? The answer is simple. In its early stages, a crypto project needs to attract as many new users as possible as part of a marketing strategy to demonstrate the project's potential to investors. To start, all you need is a crypto wallet and some free time. You can find promising projects on popular crypto sites, Twitter, or Telegram channels. For example, some users who joined the Arbitrum project in 2023 earned over $1,000 per account. Similarly, those who were early participants in Optimism in 2022 received tokens worth between $500 and $1,000. However, there are also risks. Not all projects have the financial resources to distribute rewards to every user, and sometimes even active users might end up with nothing. To minimize risks, here are a few tips. Research the project's investors. Well-known investors can be a good indicator of a project's legitimacy and future potential. Check the token's listing schedule. Find out when and where the project's token will be listed. Early listings on major exchanges often result in higher token values. Evaluate the project's partnerships. Strong partnerships with reputable companies or other crypto projects can enhance the likelihood of successful airdrops and retrodrops. However, there are exceptions. For instance, some users who participated in ZK Sync's retrodrops reported receiving very few tokens, despite the project seeming promising at the start. This highlights the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your participation across multiple projects can increase your chances of success. Trading is the second way to make money in the crypto world. Trading involves short-term buy and sell transactions to profit from price fluctuations. The idea is simple. You buy a token at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. However, to do this effectively, you need to understand how the market and its participants work, risk management, identifying patterns, and so on. There are 2 main trading methods, spot and futures. For beginners, it's recommended to start with spot trading, which involves buying or selling assets for immediate delivery. Unlike futures trading, where you trade contracts for the future delivery of an asset at a predetermined price, spot trading is simpler and easier to understand. In spot trading, you can only make money by buying low and selling high. In futures trading, however, you can profit from both rising and falling prices. The key to successful trading is market analysis and forecasting price movements through fundamental and technical analysis. However, trading carries significant risks. You might quickly earn $1,000, but you could lose it just as fast. That's why solid knowledge, patience, and a well-defined strategy are crucial. Long-term investing is the third one. Many people confuse trading with investing, but they are 2 different things. Investing involves putting money into cryptocurrencies with the goal of making a profit in the long term. Here, we're talking about months, years, or even decades, unlike trading, which operates on short time frames. Long-term investing doesn't bring immediate income, but the risks are much lower compared to trading. With a well-constructed investment strategy, you can achieve a decent passive income over the years. One of the key principles of long-term investing is diversification, spreading your investments across different types of assets to reduce risk. Types of long-term investments. Blue-chip cryptocurrencies. These are well-established cryptocurrencies with a large market cap and a history of stability, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investing in these assets is generally considered safer than investing in newer, more volatile cryptocurrencies. Emerging cryptocurrencies. These are newer cryptocurrencies with the potential for high growth. While riskier, they can offer significant returns if the project succeeds. Examples include Polkadot and Solana, which have shown promise in the past few years. Staking and yield farming. Staking involves holding a cryptocurrency in a wallet, to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you receive rewards in the form of additional coins. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance platforms in exchange for interest or rewards. Both methods can provide a steady income stream for long-term investors. You might wonder how much money you need to start investing in cryptocurrency. You don't need a huge amount of capital. You can start with as little as $20, making this an excellent option for beginners. Crypto games is an easy way to make money in the crypto world. These games have quickly gained popularity and offer an interesting way to earn cryptocurrencies. They allow users to earn tokens by performing various actions, such as completing tasks, participating in game mechanics, or even just tapping on the screen. A few popular examples include Notcoin, Hamster Combat, and TapSwap. These games have gained significant hype and a large user base due to their simple mechanics and the potential to earn real money. For instance, Notcoin became famous because players could earn tokens simply by tapping the screen. When Notcoin was listed on exchanges, many users sold their tokens for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Hamster Combat and TapSwap are similar games where users perform tasks or play games to earn cryptocurrency. These games often have partnerships with other crypto projects, increasing their credibility and potential for long-term success. Maximizing earnings in crypto games. 1. Daily participation. Many crypto games offer daily rewards for logging in or completing specific tasks. Consistent participation can significantly increase your earnings over time. 2. Referral programs. Some games offer referral bonuses for inviting new players. By referring friends and family, you can earn additional tokens without much extra effort. 3. Multiple accounts. While risky, some players create multiple accounts to maximize their earnings. However, be cautious, as some games may ban users for this practice. 4. Investing in game assets. In some crypto games, players can invest in in-game assets, such as virtual land or unique characters, which can be sold later for a profit. These assets can appreciate in value as the game grows in popularity. Exploring NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs are digital certificates that confirm ownership of a digital asset, such as an image, music, or item in a virtual world. They are created using blockchain technology, making them impossible to counterfeit. One of the main ways to make money from NFTs is by creating and selling them. For example, some digital art collections, like CryptoPunks or Bored Ape Yacht Club, have sold for staggering amounts. Another method is investing in NFTs, where you buy and sell NFTs based on their value appreciation. Other ways to profit from NFTs. NFT flipping. This involves buying NFTs at a lower price and selling them at a higher price within a short period. Success in flipping requires good timing and market awareness. Royalties from NFT sales. Some NFTs are designed to pay royalties to the original creator every time the NFT is sold in the secondary market. This can provide a continuous stream of income for artists and creators. NFT staking. Some platforms allow you to stake your NFTs in exchange for rewards, similar to staking cryptocurrencies. This can be a way to earn passive income while holding onto valuable digital assets. Play-to-earn games. Some crypto games reward players with NFTs that can be used, traded, or sold. Games like Axie Infinity have popularized this model, where players can earn rare items or characters as NFTs, which can then be sold for profit. Delving into mining and staking. Mining is one of the oldest ways to earn cryptocurrencies and involves using computing power to validate transactions on a blockchain network. In return, miners receive newly minted coins as a reward. While mining has become more competitive and resource-intensive, especially for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, it remains a viable option for earning crypto. Mining options. Solo mining. This involves setting up your own mining rig and participating in the network independently. It requires significant upfront investment in hardware and electricity, but the rewards can be substantial if you succeed in solving a block. Mining pools. These are groups of miners who combine their computing power to increase the chances of solving a block. The rewards are then distributed among the participants based on their contribution. Mining pools are a more accessible option for those who cannot afford the high costs of solo mining. Cloud mining. This involves renting mining power from a cloud mining service. You pay a fee to the service provider, and they handle the hardware and maintenance while you receive a share of the mined coins. Be cautious with cloud mining. as there are many scams in this space. Crypto lending platforms allow you to lend your cryptocurrencies to others in exchange for interest. This is a relatively low-risk way to earn passive income, especially if you lend stablecoins, which are pegged to the value of traditional currencies like the US dollar. How it works: lending platforms. Platforms like Aave allow users to lend their cryptocurrencies and earn interest. The interest rates can vary depending on the platform and the type of cryptocurrency being lent. Borrowing against your crypto. Some platforms also allow you to borrow funds against your cryptocurrency holdings. This can be useful if you need liquidity, but don't want to sell your assets. You can borrow stablecoins or fiat currency and use your crypto as collateral. Yield farming. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to DeFi platforms and earning interest or rewards in return. It's similar to lending, but with potentially higher returns and risks. In this video, we've covered 7 ways to make money with cryptocurrency: airdrops and retrodrops, trading, long-term investing, crypto games, NFTs, mining and staking, and lending and borrowing. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities and challenges, so it's important to choose the ones that best fit your skills, resources, and risk tolerance. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry significant risk, including the potential loss of all funds invested. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency offers a vast and evolving landscape of opportunities for those willing to learn and take calculated risks. If you found this video helpful and want to explore more ways to make money in the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and tips. Don't forget to check out the next video suggested, which could be a game changer for your crypto journey.